that you should never like. Oh my God. How's it going, guys? Today we're going to be doing some pike fishing in the Des Plaines River, and we're joined by Kyle, who is sitting mysteriously over there. Let's get to it. Oh, that's hard. No, it's always. Oh, fish on. Woo! Let's freaking go, man. Look at this pike. It's the one that I missed. Look at this fish, guys. My phone? Yes. Don't you dare bite me. Look at that fish, guys. That is a beautiful fish. Let's put him back in the water. Oh, come on. Come on, let's put you back in the water, Pike. And great release. Okay, let's go on the kayak. This swim jig is so nice. Ooh, what is that? What did I just see? A little crawfish. You're going the stupid way. What? You're going the stupid way. Okay, we are in the water, guys. That was a small pike that I would have liked to have had under the bag. Yeah, that would have been nice. Got him. No, this one, it's the same one for sure. He bit it twice. And I think he might have had the tail only the second time. Let's figure eight it. But I think it's deeper right here. Oh, it got deeper. Okay, there could be fish right here. Okay, let's keep going. There's not much structure. Actually, this right here is good. Oh! Oh, right away. Pike. No, I got it. Oh, let's go, bud. Oh, it choked it. Absolutely choked it. That's nice. Do you hear that? Don't you dare bite me. Oh, this is gonna be hard to get out. Oh my God, he almost... The hell did I just throw in the water? I threw my pliers in the water. They're near here. Got them back, guys. Another beautiful pike. Let's release him in the water. There he goes. Oh, I got stuck on a stick. Let me just get this snag out. There.
Yo, what's up?
Kyle and I have caught 3 pike.
Oh my God.
And we've been out for like probably 20 minutes.
Wait, dude, can you take me with right now?
We're on kayaks. Caught one.
We're on the DPR jump stuff right now.
Wait, are you by Culver's?
Yeah.
Oh wait, we're nowhere near that.
Yeah, come right over and get me unstuck on the other side. Yeah, put this on the call.
Okay. You're gonna, yeah, I'll call you when I catch the next one, which will be in like a minute.
Alright, see you, thanks.
Bye. It's perfect.
See you, bud. Oh, we did a peaceful release. I'm so happy.
Another one. Wow, right away. Oh, you just broke off?
Yep.
What pound test? 20? Actually, I think you're right. Yeah, it's way too shallow right here. That you should never like. Oh my God! Oh, freaks me out. Nice fish, guys. Beautiful pike. Look at those teeth. Beautiful. Let's let him go. Whew. Oh, what the? Took my trailer. Any luck?
Small pike and catfish.
Yeah, we've got some nice pike too. If we've each got 3, I think.
Nice.
Yeah. Good luck.
Yeah, you too, man.
Yep. Ooh. That is rocky. Not meant for this kayak. Yeah, it's still super shallow. The jig lives. Oh, I lost so much line.
Was it wrapped?
No. Going past this and it was still bad. Okay, it looks like it gets super shallow again up here. Or maybe, like, I think it, actually, never mind, it doesn't look like that. Oh, fish. Nice pike. Come here, bud. Boat flipped.
Bro, you just said don't do that and you just did it.
Well, I have a heavy rod and I have 65-pound braid. And he just came unhooked anyways. And it's a small one. Beautiful pike. On swim jig. This guy's teeth aren't that big, but he's really skinny. Let's let him go. Go back. Nice release. What? Like straight on from the bank rather than like diagonal or, oh. That was a small fish. That was tiny. Thought I hit a stump. But it, oh, got it again. I don't know if that was the same one or not. I think there's a, I don't know. Little dink. Let's put him back in the water. There he goes, flopping. Yeah, we got a bunch of pike.
Yeah, I caught my first tiger muskie when I was
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
Wow, that's crazy.
There's over by that tree, there was a 3-pound bass hanging out.
Okay. Okay. And that'll wrap up today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell for notifications on when I upload, so you can just watch the video as soon as it comes out. Make sure to comment any suggestions below. I really appreciate those. Any feedback you have, what I did wrong in the video, what I didn't. And if you liked it, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to follow my Instagram and TikTok at PetersParker8. And that's both for TikTok and for Instagram. And then I have another TikTok account, which is at JPDinks. Recently, I had a TikTok blow up, though, that got like 100K something views. Really happy about today's fishing. It would have been nice to catch some bigger fish. I was kind of sad about that. We only caught some small pike, but it's okay. At least we were catching pike. I was the target species today, so at least we got that done, and we were able to catch a decent amount. Anyways, that's all I have to say, so have a great day, and fish on.